Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay bringing you another work from home job lead. We will keep this video very short and jump straight into it. American Specialty Health is hiring a call center customer service on their clinical side. This is for my United States folks only, but for my international viewers, stay tuned. I am working on a video coming up later this afternoon just for positions hiring worldwide, but this one is for United States only, and they are starting out at $15 an hour, and then you have the potential to move up to $16 an hour within the first year. They're also offering additional bonus opportunities based on performance at 6 months, 12 months, and 24 months. So pay seems to be relatively well, and this customer service job seems to be one of the easier ones out there, which is why I wanted to share. This is easy. Anyone can do it. So some of the responsibilities they have listed are answering incoming phone calls in a professional, accurate, and timely manner. You'll attain the nature of the call and record information in the communication log. You'll look up member information and provide that information to the caller, and you'll transfer calls to the appropriate queue if question is a more complex issue like claims, authorizations, etc., since this is medical and health related. So you are not on the phone digging up information and trying to answer hard questions for the callers. What you're really doing is answering the phone, asking them what you can help them with, documenting all that, and then transferring them to the correct department. So taking a little bit of information and saying, please hold while I transfer you. We've all called customer service lines before that do that. Seems easy enough to me per their description. They are looking for someone who can meet or exceed minimum key job accountabilities for customer service and who can document calls appropriately. Now, they also do not have many qualifications. They only require a high school diploma or equivalent and 1 year experience performing customer service duties. And customer service can be anything from retail, from waiting tables. If you've served a customer, that is customer service. Basic computer skills and good communication skills. Now, since they are hiring remote from United States, it did not state what time zone they are in or what the actual working hours of this position is. If it's a daytime working hours, you would have to ask that at the time of the interview. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.